Cutting down the Christmas tree. Yeah, it's a video.
All right.
Good job, Ben.
Okay, stand back.
Now it's Daddy's turn. Okay, let's stand back a little bit. Look at him go.
It's about to fall over.
It's about to fall over.
Daddy has to watch out.
Yeah.
You guys have to watch out because it's going that way.
It's gonna go this way. Let's get out of the way. Almost there, Daddy? Nope. Are you having fun today, Ben?
Yes.
Yes?
I'm standing by Mama.
Okay. Luke, are you having fun today?
Oh
Woo! There it goes. Merry Christmas!
no.
All right, Daddy, how satisfied are you with RedFeather Christmas Tree 2012?
Typical for RedFeather Christmas tree.
Pretty typical, yeah. What would you say about the conditions this year?
Dry.
Dry,
Warm.
warm, crappy,
Crappy.
pretty crappy. Did you have fun?
It's always fun to use an axe.
It's always fun to use. It's always fun to get pine needles stuck in your hat too. And it's not really that cold out, but we have cocoa. We have cocoa. Who wants some cocoa? Did you guys have fun today?
I did.
Yeah. Hey Ben, are you taking off your jacket? That's a good idea. And then look what we have, Ben.
Thanks. How's Toto?
Yeah.
Toto. I need it.
You need it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm on it.
Okay, hold on.